If you're watching this and thinking, I've done everything and can make sure right and nothing works anymore, pause with me for a moment. You ate clean, exercised consistently, tried fasting, and drank the detox teas and waters, and still the belly fat won't budge. That experience is exhausting, and over time it often turns into self-blame. You start asking yourself why your body no longer responds the way it used to. If you're in your late 40s, 50s, or 60s, I want you to hear this clearly. This is not a willpower problem. During perimenopause and menopause, the body changes the rules. Hormones become less predictable, stress signals rise more easily, and the liver has to work harder just to keep balance. When those signals are off, the body often protects itself by holding on to fat around the belly, even when you're doing everything right. That's why so much advice feels confusing and contradictory, especially around estrogen, stress, and metabolism. In this video, I'll calmly explain what's happening inside your body and walk you through 5 simple drinks that support your liver and hormone balance at this stage of life. Many women notice less bloating, steadier energy, and a softer waistline within a few days, not because they forced fat loss, but because their body finally felt supported. Please watch until the end, because the final drink is especially helpful during menopause. If this resonates, subscribe for calm, science-based guidance after 40, and leave a short comment telling me where you're watching from and which struggle you're facing most right now. Drink 1. Raw carrot salad with apple cider vinegar. The first drink often triggers immediate skepticism because it seems almost absurdly simple. A raw carrot and apple cider vinegar? It sounds like a kitchen myth, something passed down without real substance. Yet this exact protocol has quietly persisted in functional medicine for decades for one reason. It produces consistent biological effects in situations where expensive supplements and complicated programs often fall short. What makes this drink interesting is that its effect is more mechanical than nutritional. Raw carrots contain a specific type of insoluble fiber that doesn't dissolve or get absorbed into the bloodstream. Instead, it moves through the digestive tract largely intact. Think of this fiber less like food and more like a scrub brush. As it travels through the gut, it can bind to endotoxins, bacterial waste, and certain estrogen byproducts, helping carry them out of the body rather than allowing them to be reabsorbed. This becomes especially relevant after 40. During perimenopause and menopause, many women experience what feels like hormonal traffic. Hormones aren't necessarily too high or too low across the board. They simply don't clear as efficiently as they once did. When clearance slows, the body compensates by holding water, increasing inflammation, and storing fat in areas like the lower abdomen and hips. The result is bloating, heaviness, and that stubborn belly layer that doesn't respond to diet or exercise the way it used to. It's important to say this clearly. Estrogen itself is not the enemy. Estrogen is essential for bone health, brain function, and metabolic balance. The real issue is clearance. When the liver is overloaded by chronic stress, alcohol, medications, or everyday environmental exposure, waste products can get recycled instead of eliminated. Over time, that recycling shows up physically as puffiness, fluid retention, and fat that feels stuck. This is where the protocol matters. Take 1 organic raw carrot, peel it and shred it finely. Do not juice it. Juicing removes the very fiber structure that makes this work. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which can support digestive acidity and insulin signaling. Squeeze in a bit of lemon for gentle digestive support. Add a pinch of sea salt and mix with 1 cup of water. Drink it as is. Some people add a teaspoon of MCT oil for satiety or metabolic signaling, but that's optional. Use this once a day, often with lunch. For many people, the first thing they notice isn't fat loss, but relief. Less bloating, less pressure in the belly, and a lighter feeling after meals within a few days. That matters because it signals that digestion and clearance are improving. This drink isn't meant to burn fat overnight. It lays the groundwork. By supporting gut movement, liver clearance, and hormonal flow, it creates the conditions the body needs before deeper metabolic changes can happen. Before we move on, leave a quick comment below and tell me where you're watching from and whether bloating or belly fat has been the bigger struggle for you. In the next drink, we'll focus on waking up the liver's fat-burning signal even more directly. Drink 2. Dandelion root tea and lemon. If you've ever finished a meal and felt uncomfortably heavy, bloated for no obvious reason, or noticed that your belly simply refuses to flatten no matter how carefully you eat, this part is for you. Drink number 2 focuses on the liver because the liver isn't just a detox organ, it's the quiet control center behind fat loss, digestion, and hormone balance. And when it's overwhelmed, everything feels stuck. Digestion slows down. Hormones don't clear the way they used to, and belly fat hangs on even when you're doing all the right things. After 40, this becomes incredibly common. The liver has to process stress hormones, medications, environmental toxins, alcohol, and normal metabolic waste every single day. Over time, that workload adds up. When the liver is overloaded, it doesn't fail dramatically. It slows subtly. And that slowdown shows up in ways most people don't connect to the liver at all. Bloating after meals, sluggish digestion, stubborn belly fullness, and a feeling that food just sits longer than it used to. This is where dandelion root can be very helpful. It's a gentle, well-studied herb that has been used for generations to support liver function. Its primary role is to support bile flow. Bile is essential for breaking down dietary fats, absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, and delivering usable energy to your cells. When bile flow is reduced, fats aren't handled efficiently, digestion feels heavy, inflammation increases, and that tight, swollen feeling in the abdomen becomes familiar. What's important to understand is that we're not trying to force weight loss here. We're trying to restore movement. When bile flow improves, the body can clear metabolic waste more efficiently. Hormonal byproducts are less likely to be recycled. Stress signals, including cortisol, tend to soften. And when those signals calm down, the body often stops clinging so tightly to belly fat as a protective response. Many people notice the first changes not on the scale, but in how their body feels. Less pressure in the abdomen, less bloating by the end of the day, digestion that feels lighter and more comfortable. Over time, that internal shift creates the conditions needed for real metabolic change. The preparation is simple, but consistency matters. Steep 1 organic roasted dandelion root tea bag in hot water for about 10 minutes. Roasted root is usually easier on digestion and has a smoother taste. Add the juice of half a lemon, which supports natural antioxidant pathways and helps stimulate digestion. If you like, you can add a small pinch of turmeric with black pepper for additional anti-inflammatory support. This isn't required, but many people find it helpful. Drink this before breakfast to gently wake the system up. This timing allows bile flow and digestion to activate before the first meal of the day. Many people feel less heaviness and better digestion within a few days. Again, this isn't a fat burner. It's a liver supporter, helping your metabolism work the way it's designed to, instead of fighting against overload. This approach tends to be especially helpful for people over 40 who feel bloated despite eating clean, who struggle with afternoon fatigue, or who notice their belly feels more swollen by evening. It's subtle, but it's foundational. Before we move on, leave a quick comment below and tell me where you're watching from. And let me know, has bloating or digestion been more frustrating for you lately? In the next drink, we'll talk about stabilizing blood sugar, which plays a major role in cravings, energy swings, and belly fat after 40. Drink 3, green apple and apple cider vinegar metabolic tonic. This third drink focuses on one of the most overlooked drivers of stubborn belly fat after 40, blood sugar signaling. Very often, it's not how much you eat, but how sharply blood sugar rises and falls that determines whether your body stores fat or releases it. When blood sugar spikes quickly and crashes just as fast, the body receives a powerful signal to protect itself by storing energy, especially around the belly. After 40, this process becomes more sensitive. Hormonal changes, reduced muscle mass, and higher stress levels all make blood sugar harder to control. Many women notice this as sudden cravings, afternoon energy slumps, and a feeling that the belly stays puffy even when meals are small. Over time, repeated insulin spikes quietly train the body to stay in storage mode. Green apples are used here for a very specific reason. Compared to sweeter apple varieties, they are lower in sugar and higher in pectin fiber. Pectin is a soluble fiber that slows the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. It also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which play a role in metabolic health and inflammation control. When glucose enters the bloodstream more slowly, insulin responses are smoother, cravings are reduced, and energy levels stay more stable. Apple cider vinegar adds another important layer. Its acetic acid content has been shown to support insulin sensitivity and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. In simple terms, it helps the body respond to carbohydrates more calmly. Cinnamon further supports this process by helping improve glucose handling and reducing sharp insulin swings. Together, these ingredients work as a metabolic signal stabilizer rather than a stimulant that forces fat loss. To prepare this drink, take half an organic green apple. You can blend it with the skin on or grate it finely, depending on your preference. Add 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, and a small dash of high-quality cinnamon. If the taste is too sharp, you can lightly sweeten it with a small amount of stevia or monk fruit. Mix well and drink it fresh. The ideal time to have this drink is about 20 to 30 minutes before a meal. This timing helps soften the blood sugar response to the food that follows. Many people notice steadier energy, fewer sugar cravings, improved digestion, and reduced belly puffiness within several days. These changes often feel subtle but meaningful. This drink isn't about forcing fat loss or restricting food. It's about calming insulin signals so the body no longer feels threatened by every meal. When blood sugar is stable, the body feels safer, cravings ease, and fat storage gradually loses its grip. Over time, this creates a more balanced metabolic environment where weight management becomes easier and more sustainable. Drink 4. Low Sugar Adrenal Flush. This fourth drink addresses a reason belly fat often refuses to move, even when you're eating well. Chronic stress and mineral depletion. For many people after 40, fat storage is no longer just about calories. When stress stays high and minerals run low, the body shifts into protection mode. And one of the first places it protects is the belly. This is especially true for visceral fat, the deeper fat that wraps around the organs. That type of fat is far more sensitive to cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. When cortisol stays elevated, the body receives a constant signal to store energy. Over time, that shows up as persistent belly fullness, puffiness, and a feeling that the midsection is always tense. This is why people often use the term stress belly or cortisol belly. It's not imagined, it's a biological response. This drink isn't about flushing aggressively or forcing fat loss. It's about restoring what stress quietly drains away. Minerals. Minerals help calm the nervous system, support adrenal signaling, and stabilize blood sugar. When those signals improve, cortisol pressure often softens, and the body can finally let go. To prepare it, start with about 12 ounces of high-quality water at room temperature or slightly warm. Add the juice of half a lemon for vitamin C and liver support. Stir in a quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar for potassium and a quarter teaspoon of good quality sea salt. If tolerated, you can add a small pinch of magnesium glycinate or a magnesium powder, along with a light dash of cinnamon or ginger to support circulation and digestion. Mix well. The best time to drink this is mid-afternoon, especially if you experience an energy crash between 2 and 4 p.m. Many people notice steadier energy, fewer cravings for sugar or caffeine, less bloating, and better sleep within several days. This isn't a fat burner. It's a nervous system stabilizer that helps reduce cortisol-driven storage over time. This approach tends to work particularly well for people over 40 who feel wired but tired, struggle with sleep, and gain belly fat despite clean eating. And with that foundation in place, the final drink focuses on hydration and gentle liver-kidney support, the piece many people underestimate the most. Drink 5. Cucumber Mint Liver Flush. The final drink brings everything together, and it starts with something many people underestimate: hydration. Not just drinking water, but using water strategically to support the liver, kidneys, and digestive flow. After 40, mild dehydration often shows up as puffiness, sluggish digestion, and a waistline that looks softer than it should, even when calories are controlled. Cucumber and mint work gently, not aggressively. Cucumber supports fluid balance and helps the kidneys release excess water. Mint supports digestion and bile flow, which helps food and waste move through the system more smoothly. When you combine these with lemon and a small amount of quality salt, you're not flushing toxins in a dramatic way. You're restoring circulation, hydration, and elimination. The basics the body relies on every single day. To prepare it, add 1 liter of spring or filtered water to a pitcher. Slice half a cucumber, add a small handful of fresh mint leaves, squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon, and finish with a pinch of good quality salt. Let it infuse for at least 2 hours, or overnight if possible. Sip it slowly throughout the day. Many people notice clearer skin, less facial and abdominal puffiness, and better waist definition within a few days. Part of that change is water release, and that's a good thing. As inflammation settles and hydration improves, the body also becomes more efficient at using stored energy. You don't need to do all 5 drinks to benefit. If 1 or 2 feel manageable, start there and stay consistent for 5 days. Some of these drinks fit well with intermittent fasting, while others are best taken with meals. And remember, this is not about forcing results. It's about supporting the systems that allow your body to rebalance itself over time. Because we live in a world that constantly stresses the body, repeating a gentle reset like this once a month can be a practical way to lower inflammation, support hormones, and protect your metabolism, especially if stress or alcohol has been part of your routine. Before you close this video, there's one important perspective I want to leave you with. These drinks are often labeled as detox, but they are not miracle cleanses, and they are not meant to strip toxins from deep inside your cells overnight. Their real purpose is simpler and more realistic: to support the systems your body already uses to clean, balance, and protect itself, especially the liver, kidneys, and digestion. For many people after 40, that support alone can change how the body feels day to day. Less bloating, more stable energy, clearer digestion, and a sense that your body is finally working with you instead of against you. You don't need to do all 5 drinks perfectly. Even choosing 1 or 2 and staying consistent can make a meaningful difference over time. If this video gave you clarity or reassurance, please like it and share it with someone who might be struggling with the same issues. That small action helps Senior Health Guard reach more people looking for calm, science-based guidance. I'd really love to hear from you as well. Leave a short comment below telling me where you're watching from and which drink or idea stood out to you most today. Your comments guide what we cover next. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll explore what actually happens inside your body during fasting, why many people feel lighter and clearer after it, and how to approach it safely after 40.